Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Philly. I'm Ava and today I'm cooking with our new digital marketing interns, Marnie and Olivia, and we're making shrimp avocado salad. So let's get started.
These are all the ingredients you're gonna need and you can find them right here. All right, so to get started, we're gonna need 1 pound of medium Philly wild shrimp, and we're going to pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're gonna add salt and pepper to taste, and 2 tablespoons of oregano. And now we're just gonna mix it all up.
Okay, you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 400 degrees and then spread your shrimp evenly on the tray.
Now we're gonna put our shrimp in the oven for 6 minutes.
Make the avocado dressing the juice of 1 lime. Next you wanna add 2/3 cup of water and then 1 avocado. Okay, next you wanna add your 1/2 cup of sour cream. Okay, and then add salt and pepper to taste.
And now we're just gonna wanna blend until smooth to get a really creamy dressing. Now that we have everything all prepped, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut our romaine lettuce for our salad, and then we're gonna start assembling.
My name's Olivia Skipworth and I'm one of Philly Seafood's digital marketing interns. I'm currently a senior at Texas State and I'm in Chi Omega over there in San Marcos, and I'm a part of their marketing team and it's super fun. I love it.
My name is Marnie Leishman and I'm a junior at the University of Houston. I'm in the Phi Mu sorority and I'm really enjoying my time at Philly Seafood so far.
So I know most people don't know about the seafood industry or anything, so how did y'all find this internship? What made y'all want to have it?
Yeah, I found this internship through LinkedIn and I just completed my application and did a Zoom interview, and everybody working here is a huge family and they're super, super kind and they've been very welcoming and it's been a lot of fun so far.
I found this internship through Ava messaging the PR Society at University of Houston's group chat, and I filled out the application, had the interview, and yeah, it's like a big family here.
So Olivia had the opportunity to come with us to Palacios, Texas and see all of our shrimp boats, go to the processing plant. What did you think of it? I know it's kind of a lot.
Yeah, no, it was a lot to take in, but it definitely shows you how hardworking all of these guys are who go and physically get the shrimp and bring them back, and it really kind of humbles you with how much goes into the process, and you don't even realize it whenever you just pick up your shrimp at HEB or whatever, but there's a lot that goes into it, and yeah, it's just really cool to learn about.
So you're gonna wanna grab your favorite toppings and just add them onto your salad. We grabbed some of our favorites. We have red bell peppers, carrots, eggs, croutons, avocado, cucumber, tomatoes, onions, and pepperoncinis. And our shrimp is now done and cooked. It looks delicious. As you can notice, they are C's and not O's. Remember, O's means overcooked, and these are perfectly cooked. Okay, so we're just gonna start adding everything in. I'm gonna go ahead and add in our cooked shrimp to our salad. And the way that we made this salad, it's like family style. So you can definitely change up the portions to make it individualized for just one person.
Now we're gonna take our dressing and we're gonna drizzle it on top of our salad.
I hope you guys enjoyed this healthy and delicious recipe. For more recipes like this, go to our YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. And remember to always keep it wild.